Hi guys, guess what? Another rainy day video again today. I know it doesn't see as much raining on video, but it is. So, and plus I not make video last couple days, but when you got nothing to say, don't force yourself making a video. And plus your numbers will do go up and down, and you get there anyways. So, and plus I'm getting myself organized into the book community. So, and staying away from the trauma. So, yeah, it's a rainy cloud gray day for where I am. You can hear it on the roofs hitting the eavesdrops. But what it here? It's springtime. May. So so what it, that's what it is. Spring week will have rainy days, and this summer I'll be back up to the trailer. So more videos up there. So it's a yay there. So, and we have for the haters, just ignore them, and they will eventually get tired of it. So, I know they say people hate us, don't know what you saying, or blah blah blah. Now I'm stopping there, but so anyways, hope you guys have good day. This is more a vlog than the weather report. Oh well, I have to get back into my vlogging, so I'm just slacking. So that's my fault. Like I said earlier in this video, I got nothing to say, so don't force myself. So, and hopefully end of this week I will end of this week or maybe next week do unboxing Milka video. So, and plus I'm getting, and hopefully I start doing webcams, live streams on computer. So now it's raining even more. So that's good. Anyways, and I do more on the books videos. So with this pandemic, I've been doing a lot more reading. So hopefully I get all books done. Couple in 6, hopefully end of the year, do more help books. So, and I'm still working on the challenge, and I like everybody start doing that. So every year you can see how many books you can read in 1 year. So going in right here, I'm getting wetter. So see you guys later.